Hi guys, it's attorney Terry S. Herron, your divorce and family law attorney here in the state of Georgia, where we service Fulton and surrounding areas. And listen, I get this question quite a bit. How do I set myself up where I can better my chances to get 50% custody of my children? And here's the thing, there is no guarantee, but I'm going to give you some tips that will help you to make a better argument for having custody, 50% custody of your children, okay? All right, so number one, make sure that if you guys are divorcing, that you actually move within close proximity of where your children actually reside, okay? This is not just applying to people that are divorcing. This can help you out if you are not married to the mother or the father, okay? But listen, if you're living in Cobb County and the children live in Gwinnett County, that's like an hour and 30 minutes away with traffic. A judge is less likely to give you equal parenting time when you live that far from the children. Now, when you're living 5 minutes, 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away, you're likely to be able to get more than the standard parenting time, and you're actually helping your chances to get equal parenting time, okay? So make sure that we're in close proximity to where the children live, where the children go to school, okay? Because really, if you're on one side of town and you're having to wake the children up at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning just to go through all of this traffic just to get them to school in the morning, yeah, a judge is less likely to order that, okay? All right, number two. Let's make sure that we are co-parenting, okay, as much as we can, because guess what? We can't control the other person. But listen, you can't expect the judge to really give you 50% of parenting time when you and the other person don't even get along. Now, I'm going to tell you, it does happen at times, but listen, ideally, a judge is more than likely to give you 50% custody when you can show that you're fostering the parent-child relationship, when you are getting along with the other person, when you are able to co-parent. So let's make sure that we are able to co-parent, okay? All right, number three, let's make sure that we are participating in the activities, in school, whatever it may be, with the doctors, whatever it may be, make sure that you are an active part of your children's lives. Let's make sure we're doing that, okay? And that we can keep them in certain activities without really disrupting their lives. Let's make sure we're able to do that. Now, okay, number four, let's make sure that we have a proper home environment for the children, okay? You got 3 children you're asking for 50% of custody of, and you only have a 1-bedroom. I'm not saying it's impossible, but listen, you might want to look for something else, okay? So let's make sure that we have the proper home environment, that the home is conducive to having children there, okay? To having the children there on a regular basis. Number 5, let's make sure our schedule allows for us to have the children 50% of the time. Listen, you can't be working a 3rd shift job and a 2nd shift job and expecting to have the children 50% of the time. You have to have that availability. You can't be working 3 weeks out of the month and expect to have 50% of custody. It's less likely to happen, okay? Now, these are some tips to get you to where you can ask for 50% of custody, but listen, there's no guarantee. Make sure that even without all of this, that you are doing what's in the best interest of your children, because at the end of the day, that's what the judge is looking at. Would it be in the children's best interest for you to have 50% custody, okay? All right, I'm attorney Terry S. Herron. I'm your family law attorney here in the state of Georgia, and you guys have a great day. Don't forget to share this video. Thanks, bye-bye.